Feeling the change in the air as the seasons shift to fall, it's the perfect time to boost your immune system while tapping into some spiritual magic. This detox water isn't just refreshing, it's packed with ingredients that nourish your body and elevate your spirit. Ready to build your defenses for the colder months ahead? Let's dive in. Welcome back, Sekhmet's children, my beautiful people, to Sekhmet's magical spiritual DIYs. Today, I'm sharing an enchanting detox water recipe that will not only help you adjust to the changing seasons, but also support your immune system as we move into fall. With lemon, mint, and butterfly pea flowers, we're creating a powerful blend that promotes health and spiritual growth. Now it's time for the benefits of each ingredient for the body and spirit. Lemon for the body is rich in vitamin C. Lemons are well known for boosting the immune system, helping to fend off seasonal colds and flu. They also support digestion and detoxification, keeping your body in balance as the weather cools. And for the spirit, lemons are cleansing and purifying, helping to clear away negative energy and bring clarity and focus. They symbolize new beginnings and spiritual renewal, which is perfect as we transition into a new season. Mint for the body is excellent for soothing the digestive system and is known to release symptoms of congestion, making it a great choice as we head into cold and flu season. It also has antioxidant properties that support overall immune health. For the spirit, mint is refreshing and uplifting, clearing out mental fog and inviting positive energy. It brings vitality to your aura and helps you stay energized and open to new experiences. Butterfly pea flowers for the body are packed with antioxidants, which help to protect the body cells from damage and support immune function. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm the body during seasonal changes. Butterfly pea flowers for the spirit symbolize transformation and spiritual growth. The color change with lemon represents intuition, higher awareness, and embracing change gracefully. Now it's time to prepare the butterfly pea flower infusion. I'm using 4 cups of water to boil, and I used spring water. I'm using 2 tablespoons of dry butterfly pea flowers, or you can use 5 to 6 fresh ones, and pour into a large pitcher. These flowers steep into a beautiful deep blue color, representing tranquility and clarity. I'm pouring the 4 cups of hot water over them, and I will let them infuse for 5 to 10 minutes. The antioxidants in butterfly pea flowers will help protect your immune system while you stay centered and calm. Adding lemon and mint. Once the butterfly pea infusion cools, strain the butterfly pea flowers. Look how deep that blue is. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite color. Mine is blue. Now it's time to add the lemon slices and mint leaves. Both are immune boosters. The lemon with its vitamin C and the mint with its anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties. Just drop them into the blue water and watch as the lemon juice works its magic, turning the water a vibrant purple. This transformation represents not only the shift into fall, but also the spiritual growth that comes with embracing change. Look at that beautiful purple. You can add a few ice cubes if you prefer your detox water chilled. I do not use ice. I love my tea warm or hot, or let it sit in the fridge to cool. When ready, pour yourself a glass. As always, let's set our intention. I use blue agave to sweeten my tea. You can use the sweetener of your choice. Visualize the protection and vitality this drink will bring you, helping you stay grounded and clear-headed during the fall months. As you recite this chant, as the seasons change and leaves fall down, I drink this brew, immune and sound. Lemon, mint, and flowers grace protect my body, heart, and space. With every sip, I rise, I heal, transforming spirit, strength I feel, and so it is, with harm to none. My magical journey has now begun. Sip slowly and feel the immune boosting, revitalizing power of each ingredient, nourishing your body and spirit. Sekhmet's children, enjoy this immune boosting, spiritually uplifting detox water for the fall season. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share how you stay grounded. Check the community tab for more inspiration. Stay magical and healthy. Thank you for watching Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs.